Hi! Did you know the biggest tornado on record happened in 2013 and was over 2.5 miles wide? Today I'm going to show you how to make a much smaller version as I demonstrate how to make a tornado in a jar. First, we will need a mason jar with a lid, some tap water, some vinegar, a teaspoon soap, and optional food color and small objects. Fill a jar with water, leaving about an inch from the top. Add soap, add vinegar, close lid tight, and give contents a gentle 5-second swirl. When you spin the jar, it creates a vortex in the center. As the water spins, the centripetal force causes the water to move around the vortex, making a mini tornado, much like an actual tornado. So now behold the awesome power of tornado in a jar. Well, okay, it's not as powerful as an actual tornado, but imagine this jar tornado blown up to 2 miles wide, spinning so fast, with wind speeds up to 300 miles per hour, sometimes more. So what is a tornado anyway? Tornadoes are violent storms that form a rotating column or funnel that extends down from the storm clouds. They are created when the right combinations of moist, warm air combines with cool, dry air. This instability creates powerful thunderstorms that are capable of producing one or more tornadoes. When a funnel touches the ground, it becomes a tornado. It may touch down briefly or move along a path for many miles. They can pull up trees by the roots, destroy buildings, and spin debris around and drop them miles from where they came from. Tornadoes can happen all around the world in areas with the right conditions for making these powerful storms. A tornado watch is issued when conditions are right for producing tornadoes, and a tornado warning means that a tornado has been sighted. So what can people do to protect themselves from these potentially deadly storms? Weather forecasting has become more advanced, but there is still no sure way to predict when and where a tornado may touch down. There are siren systems in most cities that alert when there is severe weather. So what do we do if there's a tornado? Seek shelter immediately. Go into a basement or lower level room with no windows. Crouch and cover your head and wait for the storm to pass. These storms can be very destructive. Let these cute mini tornadoes be a reminder of their awesome power.